Hey guys, what's going on? Chris here from Axle Advance. We're going to be going over the Apsis Mount system today. This is an add-on accessory for a Clips belt suite, which allows you to mount any Kydex pouch that uses the Surfarland QLS system of mounting. So this also includes the T-Rex Mars and Ragnarok carriers. We have one of the new Ragnaroks right here to show how to install that right here. Go and take your Apsis mounts out of the bags. You'll have the mounting plate right here, and also the two screw posts with two washers right here as well. Go and set these aside, lay them out as such. Find a good place to mount your pouch, usually. It could be right here. Okay. So you can see right there, goes on the inside, so the plate will be facing the inside of the belt. This is where you'll put your two post washers on the inside, so like so. A little trick to do is do one washer at a time, so go ahead and stick that right there. And go ahead and get some resistance on there, or tension. So, take screw. The Ragnarok has been installed. And go ahead and put your magazine in there, like so. And you're good to go. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to hit us up down below in the comments, as well as hit up our support team at support@axleadvanced.com. As always, you guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.